This is undoubtedly true for earning up to $300 in a single day in this scenario. The trick is to find a strong software that is available as a free download. And here's how it works. You use app number 1 to download free photos or files, then re-upload them to app number 2 to earn money. The more images you re-upload, the more money you'll earn. You don't need videos, websites, selling, referrals, or social media platforms. All you need is a simple strategy that everyone can accomplish in 10 minutes each day. Why not make up to $300 in a single day from the convenience of your own home or by simply utilizing a smartphone or computer? Isn't it incredible? Absolutely! Both of these applications are available in every country and pay out in a number of payment methods. This is something fresh and fascinating, so be sure to stick around and watch till the end. I'm going to show you 2 free apps in this video that you need to use together if you want to make a lot of money online. And the first one is entirely free, so you don't have to spend anything to get started with it. As you can see below, I'll show you just how much money you can make with this free app. Just like all of the people right here paid $30, $8, $19, $5, and even $11 over and over again. As you can see, the numbers in this example are $20, $5, $10, and $30. People from all over the globe are actively collecting money every day, and they're extremely open about it. But bear in mind that this is the first app. You'll need to utilize another app to make the technique work. So make sure you watch the full video to understand how it works and what you should do. Before we start to our brand new video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel.
Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video.
Let me quickly explain what this app is about. You can visit the app at up-load.io. And basically, you can make money on these websites by simply uploading 3,000 images. Now you can make money by uploading something to this website and having someone else download it for free. Even if you're asleep, traveling, or not doing anything at all, you can earn up to $7 every time someone downloads the content you post to this website. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly where to get 3,000 photographs to download and an automatic way to submit them using a phone or computer. First and foremost, allow me to demonstrate how to register for free on this website. To begin, click the sign up button and then navigate to the user registration page, where you will input your username, email address, password, and payment information. They pay you with PayPal, Payeer, WebMoney, Bitcoin, and Payoneer, as you can see here. Once you've finished filling out all of your information, simply click on I'm Not a Robot box and then on the green register button. Now, when I log into my account, when I click on Upload File button once more, you can do this on your computer, your mobile phone, or any other device as long as you have an internet connection. And when you go to Upload Files, you'll start uploading something on this website, and you'll make money whenever people download your file. Now, going on, I'll teach you exactly where to locate free files to upload, and then you can profit a lot of money on this website. Okay, now I will show you the second software that you have to utilize, which is called Pixabay. And the logo looks like this. Make sure you download the correct app. It is completely free and contains a large number of copyright-free and royalty-free images of extremely high quality. All photos and films on Pixabay are released under Creative Commons, as stated below, implying that commercial use is permitted. Before we get to continue, make sure to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell. You can use it for commercial purposes by uploading it to the first app I showed you previously, or you can use it for any purpose you choose. No attribution needed. From there, Let me show you a real-life example with step-by-step instructions on how to do this, including how to download, re-upload, and start generating money. As you can see, I've uploaded one image right here, and I'll show you how to do it right now, so let's go to pixabay.com first. Stunning free images and royalty-free stock can be found here. They have over 2.5 million high-resolution photos and videos available for free download. For example, if I key in forest and then hit the search button, I'll get a list of free photos to download right away. And if I click on any of these images, I'll show you an example of how to use them with these images. We can actually click on this free download option once I click on the image. And I have the ability to choose the resolution. So the first and most important piece of advice I can give you is to make sure that you download a high-quality image. At the very least, you'll need to download 1280p. Make sure the images are of very high quality and resolution so that people will want to download them and profit from them. Does that make sense to you? Now, I'm going to select these right here, which is a very small file, and you can download as much as you want. Now, once I select this one right here, I'm going to click on download, and you can see here, download has been initiated on my computer, and you can do this on your computer or on your phone. It doesn't matter. I can now start uploading the images to this website. But before I show you how to upload, I'd like to show you another example. For example, this is another image of which you could do exactly the same thing by clicking on the free download button and selecting this right here and clicking on the download button. The download will begin once more right now. This is a completely free tool. To begin downloading these images from Pixabay, I do not need to spend any money. Now I'll return to the first website and demonstrate how to upload them. Now when you click on Upload File, you'll see a File Upload option. You can either click on this link or on the image right here. As you can see, I have 3 more photographs that I can add to this website. For instance, I'll show you what happens when I click on this image, the second image, and then open it. You can see this image right here. I can also add more files. I'd like to upload another image, for example. Now you may see 2 photos. You'll click this blue button to start uploading, and once you've finished uploading everything, they'll begin the uploading process. You can view everything right here because these photos are only in kilobyte sizes, so it's not that big, and it's actually quite quick. This is a pretty little file. You can do it tens of thousands of times per day. The more images you upload, the more money you'll be able to earn. Once you've finished uploading the file, they'll offer you 2 links right here, and you'll earn money every time someone clicks on this link to download the file. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below. Also, hit the subscribe button and notification bell down below to subscribe to the channel. Big thanks to everyone and see you in our next video.